Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes and myself Padma. Today we will see how to prepare Dantumbar. Dantumbar is an age-old but still trendy dish prepared by Konkanis to celebrate baby's first tooth. The whole family takes part in the function. We also invite all our neighbors and friends for this function. Now the dish dantumbar is made out of boiled rice and banana and served along with coconut pieces. The coconut pieces represent the tooth. The dantumbar is soft but hard to bite. Coming to ingredients. You need 1 cup boiled rice, that is brown rice, 1 banana, that is Nyalipuvan variety, and a pinch of salt and oil for deep frying. Nyalipuvan variety is a small banana, not Robusta nor Nendran banana. This is small variety. Soak the boiled rice overnight. Next day, drain all the water and grind to a coarse powder in a mixer. You need not have to add water for grinding because you have to make it to a coarse powder. Now grind and smash the bananas. Mix the banana paste and the rice powder. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. Make it into a dough. Make small marble-shaped balls out of the dough. Deep fry them in oil to golden brown color. Your dantumbar is ready to be served. Serve them along with coconut pieces. Thank you for watching my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.